welcome to our channel.
My name is Giovanni.
My name's Dion.
And we're gonna do shiny squishies.
Let's get on to this video. So now that we have our squishies, and this is like a rainbow like one right now, and it smells like a real strawberry.
Orange and vanilla
Yeah.
and
And it has
strawberry.
pink, orange and blue.
And it smells like vanilla and strawberry.
Now we're gonna throw the squishies from up here. So right now we're on the swings, as you guys can see. So yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Now it's my turn to throw this lovely strawberry one. So I'm just gonna like throw it in the end. Now I'm gonna jump off this. I love like literally jumping. Ah! We're gonna go in 3, 2, 1. Thank you guys for watching our video, and comment down below and subscribe and like. So bye guys. Goodbye.